Hello again and welcome back to our course on Excel 2019 Advanced. It's time now for exercise 6, and in this exercise it's pretty straightforward really. I've done most of the work for you. In the order details table in the invoice we've been developing, I've been through and in all the formulae I've replaced cell references with table references. We've also got that text in cell D15. There are 11 items in this order, etc. The only thing I need you to do here is put into cell H3 the due date for the invoice payment. Now, the one slight complication is that the invoice is due for payment either 15 days or 30 days from the date in C2. And if the invoice value is less than $100, then the terms are 15 days for payment. And if the total value of the invoice is $100 or more, then the client has 30 days to pay. My answer looks like this, and you'll notice there is 30 days there because the value of the invoice is almost $200. That's exercise 6. I will see you in the next section.